Hey everyone, it's Lindsay. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you had a wonderful holiday weekend, it being Labor Day in the United States, and I did. I enjoyed my time very much with family, and I'm ready to get back to the week. So here we go. We have 2 journals today. Can't wait to share them with you. They're available for sale in the shop. Link is in the description box below. Look at the cuteness of these little bird charms. Look at how pretty it is. I love the size. It's a little wider. Oh, it does hang over the pages, so that's going to give you space. I'll show you in just a minute. See, look how pretty that is. So the cover here, not really, hangs just a little bit over the pages. You can see these paper ribbons go almost to the edge, but that gives you room for tip-ins and adding things to the edge of the pages. Tweet Reverie. This is from Lynn. 7.5 by 10, 60 pages. So I'm guessing it's bird themed. Very cute. Of course, this is probably my favorite theme of journals. I absolutely love birds in journals. This is very sweet. Little feather charms. They're stitching. Birds pretty much on every page. Hen. Gorgeous color scheme. Little woodpecker right there. Really nice to have these page edgings. Little mini bird book pages. Booklet. Oh, little duck. Look at how pretty. That's neat. I think that maybe was for like a little coin pouch or something, but she used it as a tuck spot. Little bits down here. Card in that pocket. Big belly band. Great little places to journal tucked inside. There's some bird ribbon you can use. I love this. It's so adorable. Love it, love it, love it. So that is from Lynn. Okay, and then one more, a little bit bigger. Look at this. I think this one's from Lynn as well. Look at how cute. Looks like maybe it's farmyard. Farmside Journal. This is also from Lynn, 72 pages. So it really reminds me of the bird one, but it's farm themed. The chicken. Cute. Quilt block page. Look at how pretty that is. It's an envelope. Oh, there's a cow. Some farm. Oh, she made a little booklet from some farm pages there. Nice and sturdy. A lot of these pages are nice and sturdy. Little cute plain. There's an owl, some owls, apples, little Bo Peep. Different book pages that have to do with farm animals. Farm Girl is a condition of the heart. There's a bookmark, stenciling. Look, there's a little booklet stitched on there. So usable and really clever. I love it. You got a pocket. Is that a pocket? Yep, you got a pocket there. You could tuck something in. Love it. Oh, Lynn, these are so sweet. Thank you for creating them to share with us. I know that we've been inspired, and then someone gets to purchase them. So how fun is that? I am planning on shipping out most of the orders, all of the orders that were placed through Thursday, I think, of last week. I am shipping today, and then the rest of those and everything from this week will be shipped this Saturday. Like I said, I took the weekend off. I had family, and so I will get those processed and packaged and labeled and everything, and then in the mailbox this week. And I will get everything to you. Thank you for your patience. I hope that you enjoy shopping in my shop and seeing what's in there. Thank you, Lynn, again, and I'll see all of you with more goodies later in the week.